it's Radha, founder of the Flexibility Guru. I have exciting news to share with you today. My book is now available for pre-order. This book is called 10 Minute Stretching, and I will have the link in the description for you. Today I'm going to show you a stretching video out of the book. On page 250 is a stretching session called Sweet Surrender. So I've been filming a lot of workout videos this week for the online wellness portal on my website, and I'm pretty sore. So Sweet Surrender is a sequence that's made for the spine and to help unravel and unwind the spine at every angle, and that will help the rest of the body release and recover too. So we're going to get started right now. And we're starting off in child's pose. So you can come onto your knees and you're going to try to sit your butt back towards your heels. You can bring your knees wider apart and then walk your hands forward. You're trying to get your forehead to the mat. If you can't, you can stack your fists one on top of each other or use some blocks and rest your forehead down. So right here, you're trying to lengthen your butt down towards your heels. As you inhale, feel your belly expand against the thighs. And as you exhale, try to let the spine sink closer to the floor. Just keep your mind focused on your breath. We're going to stay here for 1 minute. Just notice how your body relaxes and stretch a little bit deeper. Just a few more deep breaths. And then relax. Come up. You're going to lay down onto your back. And bend your knees, cross your right ankle over the left thigh. Lift the left foot up off the floor, and you can reach both hands around the back of your left thigh. And then you're just going to pull the left thigh in towards you. You can also use a strap around the back of your leg if you can't reach your thigh. Try to let this heel drop down towards your butt so the leg is relaxed. And just take a deep breath in as you exhale. See if you can pull the leg any closer in towards you. And start to rock the leg a little bit side to side. Try inhaling as you bring it to the right and exhaling as you bring it to the left. Good. Pull it in as close as you can. One more time. Deep exhale. And release. Switch sides. Bring your right foot down, cross the left ankle over, lift the right foot up off the floor and reach around the right thigh. Pull it in towards you. Just get used to the position first. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. Start to rock the leg gently side to side. This time inhaling as you bring it to the left, exhaling over to the right. And pull it over to the right and towards you as much as you can. Hold it there, just focus on your breathing. Imagine you can send your breath right into the tension, and as you exhale, it leaves your body with your breath. Straighten your left leg, turn your right knee in towards your chest, your belly. Reach your right hand out wide and use your left hand to twist the knee over towards your left side. You want to find the floor with your right foot. So try to get your foot onto the floor. If you can't reach, throw a pillow over there, put it on the pillow. Use your left hand to just apply gentle pressure and try to twist further. Make sure you keep your right shoulder down on the mat. And look over your right shoulder. Try to bring your right ear all the way to the mat. Just keep applying gentle pressure onto the right knee, twisting over to the left. And we're going to stay here for a minute, so just close your eyes. Connect with your body. Notice what muscles you're feeling stretching. Just follow it. Connect with every single spot. Maybe it's in your groin, your hip, your back, all the way up into your shoulder. Just notice what you're feeling right now. Use your deep, slow breathing to help you relax. And then come back to center. Stretch the right leg out. Pull the left knee in. Give it a big hug. And then reach your left arm out wide. Use your right hand to pull the knee over to the right. Look over your left shoulder. Turn your head. Try to get the left ear to the left side of the mat as you use your hand to gently push down onto the knee. Reconnect with your breath. Close your eyes. Connect with your body where you're feeling the stretch. And continue your slow, deep breathing. Come back to center. It's the last stretch in the sequence. Banana. Reach your arms up overhead. Walk your feet to the right as far as you can without any other part of your body lifting or twisting. You can cross the left ankle over the right and then start walking your hands over to the right. And you can actually kind of lift your shoulders up a little bit, walk them further. Take your right hand onto your left wrist, pull up, really give that left arm some length, and then pull it over to the right. Think about creating more space between the left hip bone and the left rib cage. Come back to center. Just have a nice long stretch in the middle. Reach your hands up, reach your heels down. And let's do the other side. Walk the feet over to the left as far as you can. Cross the right ankle over the left ankle. And then walk your hands to the left as far as you can. You can lift the shoulders up, shimmy them over a little bit. Then grab your right wrist with the left hand. Give a long pull up first, as long as you can. And then pull it over to the left. Try to think about creating space between the right hip bone and the rib cage. Just try to breathe into that space. Just close your eyes. Connect with your body. Come back to center. Just long stretch again. Reach your arms up as tall as you can. Wiggle your heels down as far as you can. Bring your knees into your chest. Just give them a little hug. And you can either rock up or roll over. And you are all done. So that was just one of the routines in my book, 10 Minute Stretching. I hope you will check it out. The link is below in the description. You can pre-order it now and it goes on sale officially February 2nd. And if you want more videos like this, check out my online wellness portal or hit subscribe. And I will see you here next week. Have a great day.